The success of projects partly depends on how best the project manager optimizes the scheduling of the various project activities in a project schedule so as to optimize the duration of the project. As time is linked to costs, it means a better time management for a project will also translate to better cost management for the project. In this course, we learn how to use Microsoft Project Professional to create project plans, schedules, and manage project resources so as to keep a proper track of time. The lessons are taught in a step-by-step tutorial approach so that it is easy for complete and absolute beginners to follow through, and so that important details and steps are not left out. That approach also will help you to get started quickly with setting up a project plan and learning how to use Project Professional in your project management tasks. In the lessons, I will share personal experiences to supplement the technical knowledge shared in the step-by-step tutorials, and this would be good for enriching the course to help learners get the best out of it. By enrolling in the course, you also get a chance to interact with me either through Q&A section by leaving comments and reviews in the course, and following up on asking questions and all other ways that are available on the various platforms this course will be posted on. So if you're looking into getting started with Microsoft Project Professional for your project management assignments, this course is the best fit for you. You learn how to create a project plan, task lists and task dependencies, how to set working and non-working times and days for your plan, how to define the tasks predecessor and successor relationship, add resources and assign those resources to tasks, be able to map out the critical path of the project, and identify lag and lead times for your tasks so that you'll be able to optimize the scheduling of these activities in a way that optimizes the project for better success. So who should enroll to this course? This course, as we said, is a beginner-friendly course. Would be very useful for anyone who is a beginner who wants to learn how to use project management tools, and that is especially Microsoft Project Professional software to prepare project plans and manage project resources for a project. So you do not need prior experience using the software, but if you have prior experience in terms of a knowledge or an understanding of project management as a body of knowledge, it will be very essential for you in the course. So without further ado, that's like a short introduction of the course, and I hope you will enroll, and I'll see you in the next section.